In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link for photos in Google Drive. This simple yet handy process will allow you to share your favorite images with family, friends, or colleagues with just a few clicks. Whether you're using it for personal or professional purposes, Google Drive offers a streamlined way to share your media with others. So, let's walk through the steps together and get you comfortable with this useful tool. First, you'll want to start by opening up your Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your Drive interface, which might look a bit busy if you have a lot of files stored, but not to worry, we'll take it step by step. Locate the photo you wish to share. You can do this by scrolling through your files or using the search function at the top, which can be particularly helpful if your Drive is well populated. Now, once you have your photo in sight, you can either right-click on it or simply select it by clicking once. Look for the option that says Get Link. This feature is pretty straightforward. It allows you to generate a shareable link for that specific photo. When you click on Get Link, a dialog box will appear. This is where you determine how you'll share your photo, with a couple of sharing options available to you. By default, it might say Restricted, meaning only people added can open with this link, and usually, this means you are the only one with access. You'll want to change that to make sharing possible. Click on Restricted, and you'll see a drop-down where you can choose anyone with the link. Selecting this will allow anyone you send the link to access the photo without having to request permission. This can be incredibly convenient when you need to share quickly and efficiently with people outside your immediate Google network, like clients or friends who might not have Google accounts. Once set, you'll see a copy button. Click on it to copy the generated link to your clipboard. With the link copied, you can now paste it into an email, a chat message, or anywhere else you need to share this incredible image. It's that simple. And don't worry, if you ever need to change the access level or turn off sharing, you can easily adjust those settings by revisiting the link in your Google Drive. By mastering these steps, sharing visuals from your Google Drive becomes a breeze. This approach doesn't only save time, it also ensures that your recipients receive exactly what they need in a secure, easy-to-access format. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide makes your digital sharing just a little bit easier. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a quick reminder. Happy sharing!